Have you tried Melanie? I mean, it's not like the car is broken down and you can't use it.
January 29th and February 6th. Go to PhillyAutoShow.com. Coming up on Nightline.
If it was broken down and you can't use it, you get it fixed just to be quick so you can trade it in.
Really?
It's a nice car.
Just get a new high and tell you what to expect.
Having a car payment, bitch. Stop. $2,000, that car will be running perfect. Or you won't even take $2,000.
I'm trying to figure out which space to talk
I'm in the one in the center.
If I close this eye, then
$2,000. I mean, the car should.
Close the other one.
You shouldn't have to put $2,000.
now she's over there.
All right. How many boobs do I have? She's taking you on drugs.
Xfinity doesn't. I hear ya. I really do, but I'm not.
How many lights are there?
It shows in separate rooms without the picture going fuzzy. Yeah, but I'm stuck in your doggy door, so that's
There's two lights. Eyeballs.
way over there.
Visit
Put your fingers
to learn
in?
more.
Jimmy welcome for the first time.
It has like a big rainbow around it.
Less than 2 weeks away from the Phillies shipping their gear to Clearwater, Florida.
Yeah, Phillies will be starting. Yeah, baby.
Who hopes this is a famous
Yeah. Oh, that's hot.
We expect to and play fundamental baseball. We've got as good a chance as any, but you know, it's a funny game.
You're doing that on your face. On my face.
Yeah.
Let me see what you did to me.
The effort and our routines
Nothing.
and stuff like that. If we do those things,
I haven't done anything, see?
So why was the light on my
Philadelphia
face?
Union holding their first day of preseason
Because
training.
that's the light.
All week before they head to Orlando for training.
Huh?
The Union has 7 wins, and they're an all-world
Little
team.
bastard
You
is
can
in
meet
his
this team
shadow.
this Wednesday night at PPL Park in Chester.
I think everyone was itching to get back and you know, not
Get
having
the
to
light
run
out of
on
my
and do all
eyeball.
that.
Yeah,
training and
some
stuff
light.
on your own. You get to get out here and be competitive and do the things that we love to do.
And Jim, this year they believe they can kick it with the big.
I better go to bed.
Well, finally tonight,
Yeah, tonight will be the earliest I should go to bed since I don't know when.
The first judicial district of
I don't go to bed till like 3 o'clock in the morning.
How long are you guys staying? A couple days?
Couple days.
The ceremony recognizes the importance of free legal service that ensures justice for all citizens of the city,
Are you recording?
regardless of their ability to pay. Nightline next on Channel 6. Action News continues at 4:30 a.m. with Tamala Edwards, Matt O'Donnell, meteorologist David Murphy, and Karen Rogers with traffic. For Cecily Tynan,
Not making this as entertaining as I thought it would be.
I'm Jim Gordon.
That's all I got.
Oh, she's good for it.
You realize that when I take one of these, they put you to sleep. They don't make you more entertaining.
No, you get entertaining.
It felt good to stand on your front porch and actually see people moving around. And cars going up and down the street.
Oh, yeah.
I don't see a human.
She sees deer.
There.
I see
Did I
a
say?
human.
I told you the one on the lake that's for rent.
Mm-hmm.
Closed captioning sponsored by Fulton Financial.
Yeah, I would love that.